Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of the Hisense TV. I'm on my Sky's Q's YouTube video, and I'm going to show you a little trailer of possibly a trailer of IMAX HD quality as well. So, and just gonna press play and hopefully you'll see the sound system as well, and then check out the sound system as well. Okay, here we go. So wait, let's just pray there's no adverts gonna come on. Okay, we're just gonna skip that now. So here we go. We're gonna go watch a film of IMAX.
Welcome to IMAX, the world's most immersive movie experience. Powered by a combination of the most advanced technology, we'll take you from the edge of your seat to the edge of reality. Enjoy crystal clear images and colors so intense they will take your breath away in specially designed theaters that bring you closer to the movies you love. Huge panoramic screens that allow you to escape into your favorite movie scenes, and immersive sound that will surround you from here, here, and here. We can take you from a pin drop to the thunder of a jet engine. So sit back and get ready to enjoy an unparalleled movie experience.
Right, so that was the short clip of the IMAX film on the TV, on the 4K TV, but this is actually not set up on 4K yet, but it will be set up on 4K if we have a look as well in instructions, and then we might show a 4K image soon as well. So okay, so thank you for watching, and but please, if YouTube is watching this, that was not actually from IMAX film. I was not at the IMAX. I'm not at the IMAX. I'm at my home. So hopefully you hopefully that's not gonna interrupt with problems. Okay. So hopefully you see this video and hopefully you watch this. Thank you, and put a thumbs up and put a like, and thank you for watching, and press the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.